Today, let's check out this duplex in Royal Oak. This is probably one of the oldest houses I've shown so far. This one was built in 1915. Very old bungalow. Exterior looks, it was maintained well. See here, I got two keys. One for the west unit and the other for the east unit. Give you a street view. Just look at this big pine tree. Now this section, the road is really bad. It's probably close to unpaved road, filled with a lot of different patches, so hopefully the city is going to do something to it. But otherwise, very quiet neighborhood. Royal Oak is a very beautiful city and has good school. You can see there's a new construction popping up down the street. And if we look here, there's another new house that's being built. They're already pouring the concrete. So that's really a good sign, because when new houses are being built, they're going to sell at higher price and will elevate the value of the existing homes on the street. So the screen door has already been opened. It's welcoming us to check it out. Let's see if we got the right key. Finally got the door open. Let's check out the exterior. Exterior has vinyl siding. Looks fine. Chimney looks okay. Right now it gets a little bit dark, so I cannot see the bricks very clearly, but overall I think it looks okay. Asphalt driveway, these minor repair here and there. Overall doesn't look too bad. This is your deck. The boards needs attention. If you're staying in it right now, probably can have some life get out of this one. Same problem with downspout extension. Now it shows at least someone is taking care of this unit. They're extended farther away from the house, but this is smashed. Better replace it now. This side of house looks fine. There's just a small shrub on the other side. Backyard is huge, so this lot actually is a lot bigger than typical lot here in Royal Oak. I would say this one probably about half an acre. Very basic landscaping, nothing special. Fully fenced backyard. Got a few trees, but overall they're far away from the house, so nothing too much to worry about. Now this is the back side of the garage. Garage roof caved in a little bit in the middle. It's too dark, probably cannot see very clearly. The garage definitely is crooked. You can see the boards, now we get more light, so they're wavy. It's like this shape. So at least someone painted this garage siding at one time. They're really bad. It's probably paint over paint. This is how they get by over the years. So re-siding probably is a better long-term solution. So the garage is divided by 2 bay. Someone already opened the door for us. Not powered. Cannot see the sill plate very clearly. This is concrete. The garage built in this area, probably sill plate is not built on the concrete. These are the spots that you really need to pay attention to when evaluating this garage. Now I'm in the garage. Feels a little bit creepy. You cannot see much about it. Now turn on the lights. Actually the room doesn't feel bad. So not sure if I record anything, but I'm going to re-record this just in case. So right now I'm in one of the units. I just check out the attic. Room looks fine. These new windows need paint on the ceiling where there's water damage in the past. Check out the attic access. There's a very minimum insulation or no insulation, so that's something to keep in mind as well. So right now we're on the first floor in the living room. Now this is a combined wide open space. Front section is the living room. That's the original wood burning fireplace. Here is where you put your dining table. Definitely needs new floor. You can see the carpet is pretty much worn out, filled with stains. Same thing with the wall. So this wall needs fresh new paint throughout. All the windows are wood windows. Maybe some are still open and operable, but again, needs to budget for replacing all the windows in the long term. Now let's check out the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Bathroom has sheet vinyl flooring, very old vanity, mismatched shower surrounds with the tub. Everything is very dirty, so you gotta put a lot of effort just to make it shine again. And that's the vanity light. So the mismatched bulb should tell you something about the previous residents. Alright, keep moving on. Let's turn off the lights. Now this is the kitchen. Very basic kitchen. Sheet vinyl flooring. Very old gas stove. Does have a dual source of power. I'd prefer electricity. Again, old cabinets. These cabinets were from the 70s or 80s and they just painted over. So this is original cabinets. What look inside. I got a similar property that use this style of cabinets. So this one does have a garbage disposal. Plumbing probably is copper. We gotta check out from the basement. So yeah, this is the one of the unit. I gotta enter through the back door because the front door is jammed and it cannot be opened. Check out if the doorbell rings. That's the weak sound the doorbell makes. So let's check out the other unit. This one doesn't have a ceiling light. This is the living room. Living room is smaller. Again, all the blinds were dropped down, so probably want to cover the old windows. Again, this one needs new carpet. Carpet is in slightly better condition compared to the other one, but at least, you know, behind the carpet exposed the hardwood floor, and the hardwood floor doesn't look too bad. So if there's hardwood floor behind this, beneath this carpet, then you can refinish the hardwood floor. Just know the baseboard is all damaged, has peeling paint, so probably got the water issue in the past. This is small dining and kitchen area. All these tiles are so old and starts to fall apart. Tiles basically just a crack. Check out this window. It's pretty old. Check out the kitchen. So this is the these are the cabinets that should be in the other room. Very old cabinets. Similar setup. This has a slightly upscale gas stove. Fridge still works. Now let's check out the bathroom. Similar bathroom, and you know the tub's pretty gross. And the shower liner, I don't know why they pick a different color. Again, needs new floor for the bathroom as well, and probably new toilet, right? You see, even the toilet tank is mismatched. So the owner is very, very frugal. Now let's check out the bedrooms. You know, the downside about this unit is all the bedrooms only have one bedroom. If it has two, then it will be much better. So we're now in the attic. This is the loft. This is truly a loft. This window has a cracked pane, so it's very hard to take out the pane and replace the glass. So probably better off just to replace the window altogether. Yeah, so I was wrong. This is the bedroom. There's no more bedrooms. Very small. Stairs are of good width, but the step rise is a bit small, so you gotta get used to it. So where am I? Okay, let's check out the basement. No light. That's bad. Okay, we have light. I'll get my flashlight. So this is the appliances. Basement is 19, so the height is really low. This is quantified more as a Michigan basement. Okay, at least we got light. That's less frightening. Check out here. This is for tenant 1. This is for tenant 2. Wow, what do we find here? Military style shower, you know. You open that and you take a shower. So this is probably how I take a shower when I was in college. Someone raising chicken here. Look like this could be a livestock living quarter. Now this is a furnace. It has 2 water heater tank, well, 2 furnace. Okay, at least they market furnace 1. This one looks like from 80. Yeah, I've seen this enough. Typically I have a sense about it. So basement is good size. Yeah, what's here? You know, this basement is very, very frightening. Especially right now it's dark outside. Yeah, I'm probably one of the few people that even bother to check this out. Now, this is something else. This is galvanized pipe. You can see it's galvanized, stuff rusting. So you got at least to replace that unit. Okay. Good that I walk this in and note this issue. I feel lost. Now I find the stairs. This concludes the virtual tour of this duplex on Parkdale in Royal Oak. Very frightening experiences because it's too dark. Not the best time to show a house, but the house has potential. Definitely needs a lot of work, needs a complete rehab inside the house, but at least this is a good area. So if you do it right and you attract right tenants, this one can be a good long-term investment for the years to come.